Are you ready to discover the coolest and most practical gadgets that'll make your everyday life easier, smarter, and more fun? From tech-savvy tools to powerful must-haves, today we've got something for everyone, whether you're a traveler, gamer, or just a gadget lover. So sit tight because this list is packed with innovation and style. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Booster Portable Turbo Fan. This is not your average fan. It's a powerhouse in your hand. The Booster Portable Turbo Fan comes with a high-speed brushless motor that delivers strong, consistent airflow like a mini jet engine. Built with durability in mind, it's powered by a 4,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, giving you hours of cooling power on the go. What makes it even cooler? The built-in LED lighting adds a futuristic touch, perfect for outdoor use or late-night activities. Whether you're working out, camping, or just need a portable cooling solution, this fan is a game changer. Its compact, multi-size design ensures it fits comfortably in any bag or workspace, while CE certification guarantees safety and performance. Experience true power and comfort wherever you are. This fan is built to impress. Number 4. Giiker Super Decoder. Ready to challenge your brain? The Giiker Super Decoder is an innovative puzzle game with over 600 levels designed to test your logic and problem-solving skills. This compact device blends fun and intelligence, offering challenges for both beginners and experts. Each stage becomes more complex, keeping your mind sharp and entertained for hours. Made from premium ABS material, it's durable, safe, and lightweight, ideal for both kids and adults. Whether you're traveling, relaxing at home, or gifting it to a friend, this is a perfect boredom buster. Unlock your inner genius and enjoy endless mind-bending fun. Number 3. Nixie Tube Clock. Looking for a centerpiece that screams futuristic style? The Nixie Tube Clock is a masterpiece of retro meets modern design. It connects via Wi-Fi and automatically updates your time, date, and weather. No manual setup needed. The vibrant glow of its LED display gives off a stunning cyberpunk vibe, turning any desk or room into a visual spectacle. You can customize animations, clock colors, and even upload photos to display. It also features automatic night dimming and multiple light effects for a smooth ambient experience. Crafted from high-quality acrylic with a 1.54-inch 240 by 240 screen, it's compact yet striking. If you love stylish smart tech, this clock is a must-have statement piece. Number 2. Hagibis Cleaning Tool. Meet the gadget every phone and earbud owner needs, the Hagibis Cleaning Tool. This clever 3-in-1 kit includes a SIM ejector pin, precision cleaning brush, and durable reset needle. Designed with soft bristles, it gently removes dust and dirt from delicate surfaces like earbuds and charging ports without scratching. Its strong alloy construction ensures it lasts long, while the built-in portable lanyard makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Attach it to your keys, backpack, or AirPods case and never lose it again. It's simple, compact, and incredibly useful for anyone who values clean tech and functionality. Number 1. USB Windproof Lighter. Now this one's pure genius. The USB Windproof Lighter uses plasma arc technology instead of flames, making it completely windproof and reliable in any condition. Whether you're lighting candles, barbecue grills, fireworks, or camping stoves, this lighter performs flawlessly. It features a flexible 360 degrees rotatable neck, allowing you to light hard-to-reach spots with ease. It's rechargeable via USB and includes an LED power display so you always know when to recharge. Compact, eco-friendly, and stylish, it's the perfect replacement for traditional gas lighters, ideal for home, travel, and outdoor adventures. This one's a must-have tool for everyone. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.